Want a cleaner home without lifting a finger? In 2025, smart robot vacuums are more advanced, efficient, and intelligent than ever. From precise mapping to powerful suction and voice control, these compact cleaning machines are transforming home care. In this video, we'll show you the top 5 best smart robot vacuums of 2025, based on performance, innovation, and user satisfaction. Let's dive in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech-savvy home upgrades. At number 5, Lefant M2 Pro Robot Vacuum, your smart, hands-free cleaning companion. With 6,000 pascals of powerful suction, LiDAR navigation, and PSD obstacle avoidance, it cleans with pinpoint precision, even under furniture or in the dark. Carpet? No problem, it auto-boosts for deep cleaning. It maps up to 3 floors and handles complex layouts effortlessly. With 45 days of hands-free dust collection, a 300 milliliters water tank for mopping, and 140 minutes of runtime, this vacuum keeps your home spotless without lifting a finger. Smart, powerful, and reliable, the M2 Pro does it all. At number 4, BOAIMORE 3600 PA Vacuum Cleaner. Looking for a powerful yet affordable robot vacuum? The D2 has you covered. With 3,600 pascals of brushless suction, it vacuums and mops at the same time. Perfect for pet hair, dust, and daily messes. Its slim design fits under furniture, while smart navigation, drop-sensing tech, and 4 cleaning modes guarantee a thorough clean every time. Control it easily with Alexa, Google Home, or the included remote. And with a long-lasting 4,400 mAh battery, it runs up to 120 minutes before auto-recharging. The D2 is smart, strong, and built for busy homes like yours. At number 3, Lefant M330 Pro Robot Vacuum. Your smart 3-in-1 home cleaning solution. It doesn't just clean, it thinks. With precision obstacle detection, it avoids collisions before they happen. Its advanced laser mapping lets you customize room-by-room cleaning schedules, set no-go zones, and even boost suction automatically on carpets. Whether it's pet hair, dust, or stains, the powerful suction and mop combo handle it all effortlessly. Control it via app, Alexa, or Google Home. If you're looking for intelligent, hands-free, and thorough cleaning, this is the robot vacuum built for you. At number 2, Liectroux X6 LDS Robot Vacuum. These more than just a robot vacuum. It's your high-tech home cleaning partner. With dual laser navigation and SLAM tech, it maps every corner for ultra-precise cleaning. Its 6,500 pascal suction and Y-shaped wet mopping make light work of dirt, dust, and stains. You can set no-go zones, schedule cleanings, and even control rooms individually, all from the app. It resumes cleaning right where it left off, handles carpets with turbo power, and supports Alexa and Google Home. If you want smart, powerful, and hands-free cleaning, this is it. At number 1, ABIR X8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Looking for a robot vacuum that truly does it all? The ABIR X8 is your smart cleaning powerhouse. With dual laser navigation and SLAM technology, it maps your home with precision and tackles every corner with powerful 6,500 pascals suction. It doesn't just sweep. Its Y-shaped mopping mimics manual cleaning for sparkling floors. Plus, with HEPA filtration, voice control via Alexa and Google Home, and up to 120 minutes of runtime, this vacuum is built for modern living. With a large 600 milliliters dustbin and 360 milliliters water tank, the ABIR X8 makes hands-free, hassle-free cleaning a daily reality.